Creamy, creamy, creamy beef. Now I wonder how it will taste. Oh, diba? Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So this is another cooking vlog. Yes, with my special microphone, broccoli over here. Toing, toing, toing. Okay, so for today's dish, I'll be preparing creamy beef with broccoli over here. If you want to know on how am I going to prepare this dish, please keep on watching. And here are our ingredients, guys. We have garlic, Himalayan salt, olive oil, ground pepper, cooking cream, butter, and our beef, our mushroom, broccoli, carrots, onion. So guys, our wok is already hot. So now I will put our cooking oil. Next, I'll be putting our beef. Then I will season it with pepper, and salt, and let's mix it. So guys, now I will add 1 cup of hot water. So now guys, I will add our mushroom. Okay. Then I will also put our carrots. I'll just cover it and leave it again like 2 minutes. So this time guys, I will add our cooking cream. Then I will add now our broccoli. So guys, this time I will add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce just to add color to our dish. So let's just wait for our broccoli to be cooked, guys, because it's still hard. Our creamy beef with broccoli is already done and ready for our lunch. And thank you for watching today's vlog. And if you like this video, please don't forget to click the thumbs up button. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And please don't forget to share. And see you again on my next one. Bye!